AI is moving so fast that every week there's a new tool, a new update, and somehow you're always one step behind? You're not alone. Every single week, dozens of AI tools are released, but the truth is that most of them aren't worth your time. That's exactly why I made this video. Today, I'm going to show you 7 of the newest AI tools and updates that are actually useful. Whether you're a student, freelancer, content creator, or someone who's just starting to explore AI, these tools can help you save time, work smarter, and even learn new skills. So make sure you watch until the end, because the last tool on this list is one that very few people are talking about, but it has huge potential. Let's get started. The first update comes from ChatGPT, and honestly, it's one of those features that should have been there from the beginning. If you've ever spent 5 or 10 minutes scrolling through old conversations trying to find a prompt, a file, or an important answer, you know how frustrating it can be. OpenAI has now introduced Universal Search, which lets you search through your chats, uploaded files, images, and projects from one search bar. Instead of endlessly scrolling, you simply type a keyword and ChatGPT instantly finds what you're looking for. It might sound like a small update, but if you use ChatGPT regularly, this feature can save you a lot of time every single day. Now let's talk about GPT 5.6, OpenAI's newest AI model. One of the biggest improvements is that it understands natural language much better than before. That means you don't need to write complicated prompts anymore. You can simply explain what you need in your own words. For example, instead of spending time trying to create the perfect prompt, you can just type, "Help me write a professional email," or "Explain quantum computing like I'm 12 years old." GPT 5.6 does a much better job of understanding your intent, which makes it especially useful for beginners. Speaking of beginners, here's another update that makes AI even easier to use. OpenAI has improved its voice mode, and it feels much more like talking to a real person. Instead of typing every question, you can simply speak naturally, and the AI responds almost instantly. This is perfect if you're learning English, brainstorming ideas, preparing for an interview, or even practicing presentations. It feels less like using software and more like having a conversation with someone who's always ready to help. Now, if you're interested in coding, even if you've never written a single line of code before, you'll want to check out Meta's new AI coding assistant called Muse Spark 1.1. This tool can generate code, explain what the code does, and even help fix errors. Imagine asking, "Build me a simple portfolio website," and within seconds, the AI creates the basic structure for you. Even if you're not a developer, it can help you understand programming concepts in a much simpler way. The next update is something many families and students will appreciate. ChatGPT now includes better family-focused features that make it easier to organize conversations and projects. Parents can use it to plan trips or manage daily schedules, while students can keep homework, notes, and study materials organized in one place. It's not the flashiest update, but it's one that can make everyday life much easier. Another exciting tool comes from Google. Google Photos now includes AI-powered video creation. Instead of manually editing your pictures into a slideshow, you simply select your favorite photos, choose a style, and let AI create a polished video for you. Whether it's a birthday, a vacation, or a family event, you can create something that looks professionally edited in just a few minutes. Finally, let's talk about Grok 4.5. While many people only focus on ChatGPT, Grok has been improving rapidly. The latest version is faster, more capable, and performs well in research, reasoning, and coding tasks. If you've only ever used ChatGPT, it's worth trying Grok as well, so you can compare the strengths of different AI assistants and choose the one that fits your workflow best. Before you start using these tools, there's one important thing I want to mention. A lot of beginners make the mistake of thinking AI will give perfect answers instantly. That's rarely how it works. The quality of the result depends on how clearly you explain your request. Instead of writing a short prompt like, "Write an article," give the AI proper context, mention your audience, and explain exactly what you want. You'll be surprised by how much better the results become. Another common mistake is trying every new AI tool that gets released. You don't need 20 different AI apps. Pick 2 or 3 that genuinely help you, learn them well, and you'll get far more value than constantly jumping between new tools. So those were 7 of the most exciting AI tools and updates you should know about this month. AI is evolving incredibly fast, and staying updated can give you a real advantage, whether you're learning, working, or creating content. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials, and share this video with someone who wants to stay ahead in the world of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.